Hello friends, this is Nitin Chandra.
This bird's name is black-throated honey guide. You can find this type of birds, these different species of bird named honey guide in the region of Sahara, Himalayas, Burma, Thailand, Malaysia, Sumatra, and Borneo. We know about the cuckoo bird which lays its eggs in the nest of crow or some other bird's nest. Same way, this bird also lays its eggs in the nest of other birds. This bird, named honey guide, it guides humans, honey badgers, and rattles to the hive of the wild bees.